Kurjira abatura otine sente tarukutunga bujanjabi omarwaro gatari gamwe na gamwe district ya Lyantonde abantu bagira ngo bamwe mu batura bafira ha mukeno.
The category of the patients we are serving, these are girls that are very traumatized, and most of the times you wonder. I have been shocked when I looked at the budget, the work plan, and I saw salaries of health workers, because the level at which they extract money from these underprivileged people is so concerning.
Shortage of trees, health centers, shortage of drugs, eby'amagara ashangiretayo, njijo nedepo, sayana.
Abebembezi bajumirira bashaho abino muzogu kandi baraganisa kugumizamu nabakwata orayorekerezibwe mwaka kumu kubana ejumbero mu muzogu.
No health worker is supposed in a government setup is supposed to work on a patient after receiving money. It is not anywhere, and therefore whoever does it at his own risk.
The services at the general and other hospitals and the health centers are free of charge. The 6 billion we pay for salaries should be enough to make civil servants or workers work without demanding any token.
After here, I'm going to find out this money should have come within this financial year, even with this folder. Let me find out if you have not received that money, then I find out exactly what's the problem.
Gasha kwa Sande Kabaragala William.